Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga abatithitie mubango uyu ta mutaro wa kihana gikuo na kongerera ati ukoretwo ugithie na mbere kuma mwaka-ini wa 2014.
A 3-meter diameter tunnel will be dug high up in the Aberdare Range to connect all the 7 rivers to Thika's Ndakaini Dam.
Kuringana na Raila, waki wa mutaro ucio ukoretwo ugitwarithio na mbere na thiri rungu rwa ugitiri munene. Mutaro ucio utanyite kungania mai kuma kuri njui 7 iria ciamukagira mai kuma kirima-ini kia Aberdare. Mai macio maria kaingi mathiaga icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini kuhitukira rũĩ rwa Tana marionoragirio demu-ini ya Ndakaini niguo manyuagwo ni andu a Nairobi mari oike.
In the beginning, the project will target rivers Maragwa, Irati and Gikigie. It will then be extended to tap water from rivers south of Mathioya, Hembe, Githugi and North Mathioya. All these are tributaries of the Tana River.
In Nairobi, get enough water in the estates. So we clearly have a deficit. And this is why we are saying that with the population growing very fast, going into 2030, unless we have plans to develop the water resource, to develop the infrastructural and sewerage systems, we will not be able to cope with the growing population.
Raila no augite ati uthuthuria baranginyo ndwekirwo niguo guthurima mathina maria mangirehwo ni mubango uyu. Kwa muhiano, kwenja mutaro wa nathi mwena wa Murang'a kuria kugumagirwo ni githingithia riria kwaura kwaya gukorwo na wanangi moru thutha wa mubango uyu kwambiriria. Oho no arorota thirikari ni kwaga guthikiriria mateta ma andu a Murang'a mbere ya kwambiriria mubango uyu.
World Bank funded projects do undergo serious scrutiny, whether it is environmental impact assessment, community participation, social impact, economic impact, the land use impact, before even the World Bank commit through its board funding for that project.
Riu Raila Odinga arenda mubango uyu rugamio orio na kuria bengi ya thi iria irarugamirira waki ucio itariri itumi ciayo cia kurugamirira mubango utekirwo thuthuria baranginyo. Angikorwo no nginya mubango uyu uthie na mbere, Odinga arenda anyitite miothe sekta-ini ya mai makiri cigo-ini iria irahutio matonyo methugunda-ini ma gukinyaniria mubango uyu. Oho no arenda gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria ateanirie kirore giake gia gwitikiria mubango ucio thie na mbere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.